Good afternoon everybody and welcome back to Kelly's Kitchen, and my goodness, hasn't it been a long time. So we've had a very long break. There's been lots of stuff going on, lots of health stuff, but we're back. Now I'm saying we're back, but I can't guarantee that it's going to be multiple times per week like we used to, but we will be back posting regularly. So one of the things that me and OGGIE have decided is that this year we are going to stick to a budget. And so the first recipe of 2026 is going to be a budget recipe, and it's for a baked rice pudding with vanilla and nutmeg. Now, rice pudding is one of those things that is cheap and cheerful to make, simple to make, but if you buy it in the tins, it's quite expensive. So a tin of rice pudding is between, I say, £1.50 and £2, somewhere around there, depending on, you know, which brand, etc. And out of that tin, you will probably get 2 portions. This recipe is using pudding rice. Now, that is not the same as it's not the same as risotto rice, it's not basmati, it's not long grain, it's pudding rice, which is a very short grain, and that helps it absorb lots of goodness, yumminess from the milk and the other things. So this recipe is literally kind of like 5 ingredients, simple to throw together, cheap, but it will fill your family up. So I'll put all the ingredients underneath, but it's a quick throw together. Oven needs to be 140 degrees on a fan oven, 160 if you don't have a fan, and I will put in the comments or in the description what the gas is. You need pudding rice, 110 grams of pudding rice, 55 grams of caster sugar. Now, having said that, it doesn't really matter if you use granulated sugar because it's going to melt into it anyway, but you know, it says caster sugar and I've got caster sugar, so if you got caster, use it. So 55 grams of that. 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Please do not use essence. It is chemical and it is not natural and it's horrible. So extract, please. If you don't have it and you don't want to use it, that's absolutely fine. And then 1.1 litres of milk. Now, you're supposed to use whole milk. This is semi-skimmed. I'm literally using it because it's what I had left from New Year, and so I wanted to use it up. So in that goes, give it a good mix, and then all you're going to do is pour it into a buttered shallow dish, okay? And that's going to help the rice absorb. So just give it a good mix up. Pour it in. Don't leave any behind. And all I'm going to do then is give a good grating of nutmeg over the top. Fresh nutmeg is always best if you can. If you've got ground nutmeg, you can use that at a pinch if you want to. And obviously, if you don't like nutmeg, don't use it. You could also use cinnamon if you wanted to give that nice warm sort of feeling. And that is it. That's going into my oven, 140 degrees fan for about 1.5 hours, and by the time it comes out, it will be bubbly, it will be thick and creamy and absolutely delicious. Hope you enjoyed it. Give me a shout, let me know how you get on, and follow for more budget-friendly recipes over the coming days. I'll see you all again soon. Bye everyone, nice to see you again.